In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly integrate custom HTML code into your pre-existing Framer project. This comprehensive tutorial is designed to make the process simple, quick, and efficient. So let's dive right into it. First off, you need to fire up your Framer project. Just locate the exact project where you want to implant the HTML code. It is with this project open that we kickstart the complex but rewarding process of HTML integration into Framer. Now that your project is ready and waiting, it's time to add new elements. This is where you get to access the Insert menu. The Insert menu is at the heart of many operations in Framer, and today, we get to exploit its utilities to our advantage. Once the Insert menu is opened, you'll notice there are many options available. Our eyes, however, should be set on one particular feature, and that is Embed. Locate Embed, and as soon as you find it, select it. What Embed does is pretty fantastic. It enables us to add an embed component to our canvas. Think of it as an open door that lets the outside world, or in this case, our HTML code, into our Framer project. What's next? Simple. Now that the embed component is nestled comfortably on your canvas, you should select it. This will initiate your interaction with it and will move you one step forward in your quest of adding HTML code to your Framer project. Once the embed component is selected, move your attention to the Properties panel, which you'll find on the right. In this panel, there's a host of options that hold potential for your project. However, for our current task, we need only one particular option, and that's the HTML option. Toggle this HTML option as it prepares the ground for the arrival of your custom HTML code. After the HTML option has been toggled, it's showtime for your custom HTML code. Your code can now strut its stuff. Paste it into the provided field and make sure it sits there snugly. Congrats! You've successfully integrated your custom HTML code into your Framer project. But we're not done yet. We need to take it for a test drive. Let's see how your hard work pays off. The last step involves previewing how your freshly added HTML elements will appear on the published site. This validation is essential to ensure everything fits neatly and works efficiently as intended. Voila! You've successfully completed the tutorial. Adding HTML code into your Framer project is a piece of cake once you understand the steps. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro before you know it. Happy framing!